have a big yeah. With an oink oink here, with an oink oink here, here an oink and here an oink. Oh, Mukbang, have fun. Yeah, I think that's my dance. Press the subscribe button and subscribe to our video. Stay fun. Okay, surprise! And there, and look at all these donuts. And also a penguin. What's mine? And some donuts. That's also mine. And this, I call this is the little pops. I invite you guys to do the mukbang with Tita only, not Daddy and Mommy.
Why? Yay! I'm here in Audrey's channel. What are we going to do?
We're gonna do mukbang.
Oh, what are we going to eat?
Donuts and a penguin.
Oh, this is mine?
No, this is mine.
Okay. Can I eat that?
We're gonna slice it.
Oh, we're gonna slice it.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what I'm going to eat now.
You're gonna eat it.
What's your favorite donut? Oh, let's eat now. Here.
And these are the free ones. Nice. Okay, what flavor is this?
That's a strawberry.
Yeah. Okay, you ask question.
What's your favorite animal?
Penguins.
Why?
Because they are so funny.
What type of animal is penguin?
A bird.
Why is it a bird?
Yes, because they have beaks.
But they don't have wings.
Yeah. And the bird. Some birds can fly. Like the ostrich is a bird. They don't fly because they're heavy.
Why?
And like the kiwi bird, they don't fly.
Why?
They cannot fly. What is the funniest movie in Storybots?
Ah, I know. It's like the elephant song.
No, that's not the one. It's Bob and Hub.
Oh, really? Why?
Yeah, you know that that's the two Storybots, the yellow and the orange. What are working in the house? In their house, they're working.
Oh, but then what else? Can Mommy join us in let's call Mommy so that we can finish the donut. In our mukbang.
Your mommy's gonna see the camera when there's no battery.
Just check. Oh, what about Daddy?
No.
Why?
That is chocolate brown. Or that because when you just Daddy will know it.
What's a chocolate brown?
Like dark brown.
Who's dark brown? Why?
Because maybe he does saffron.
Oh, what about the penguin?
Oh,
Is this your first? Have you tried the penguin before?
no. This is a penguin of penguin bread. Look at it. I'm not cracking.
Why it's cracking?
I think those are icing.
It's your first time to eat that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Yum!
Really?
Yeah.
You want me to open it, to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut it.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, I cut it here. Is it okay?
Yeah. Wow! The feet fell. Oh no! The eye is gone. Only one eye has. Like
What's inside?
Some cream, like boca.
Oh, okay. Then let you eat.
Can eat
Can I taste also? Oh, you taste. You taste. How it taste? How it taste?
Good. How about you?
Sweet. It's cookies and cream.
Oh, look the feet. The feet. Wow.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Are you going to finish it?
Look, a bird. It's a crow. A crow.
Yeah.
A crow bird.
Mm. Why are we here in Dusit Hotel? Whose birthday?
Nanay.
Where's Nanay?
There.
I thought we're going to Tagaytay.
Why are we not in Tagaytay now?
Makes the volcano.
Why?
Erupts.
We cannot go
Yeah.
there.
Do you know the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5? Level 4 is still resting, and then level 5 it erupts.
We're not level now.
Still 4.
Still 4. What else do you want to try? You pick one.
Oh, really big one.
Oh,
This is the nice.
nice one.
Yeah.
So how was it?
No,
Huh?
not good.
Not good. Oh, what about the other?
The Oreology baby, the one.
What about the other
the black one?
How is it?
You like it? No. Okay.
Oh, you taste another one? You want to try another one?
Which one? I like.
Oh, why do you like it?
Only chocolate.
Chocolate
only.
Oh, chocolate only. I want to try this one.
I don't know.
You like it?
I have questions.
What?
What you got milk and what?
You got milk and what?
Milk and what is the other one? You got milk and
Tea.
no.
Milk tea.
Oh,
No,
milk tea.
that's the wrong question. If you got milk and crackers.
Milk and crackers?
Yeah.
What is it?
What is it?
You got milk and crackers. Yeah, crackers. Yeah. It goes like that.
Why does the donut have a hole?
Now it look like a donut.
Why?
Now it look like a donut.
How old are you?
6.
Okay. I just saw this one in Facebook. Okay, what does mommy says a lot?
Milky?
She always say milk tea? Why?
Does she love milk even no more?
What makes mommy happy?
Milky?
What makes Nanay happy?
Milky also?
Milky also. What makes your daddy happy?
Chocolate.
What about Tatay? What makes Tatay happy?
Hot Wheels.
What?
Hot Wheels.
What Hot Wheels?
Hot Wheels, you know the cars?
Oh, the cars. What makes Tita happy?
Visiting me.
Oh! Very good. Okay.
I know the questions.
Oh, you know that question.
That's pretty easy.
Oh, what makes mommy sad?
Sad.
Mm.
When she's not drinking milk tea.
What makes daddy sad?
When he's not chocolate brown.
Okay, come here. What is mommy's favorite food?
Milk tea?
Why it's always milk tea?
Because she's asking for milk tea and I said no, no, no.
And what about me? What's my favorite food? What's my favorite food?
Donuts.
Yes.
Donuts! Like me!
Oh, you like donuts also?
Yeah.
Oh.
Donuts with chicken. Yeah.
Oh, chicken and donuts.
Chicken and donuts. Oh wait.
What?
What do you like doing?
Chicken donut. Wait. Chicken donut water. Chicken donut water.
What's your mommy's job? What work?
Office.
Office?
Office for me to. Now she can buy something for me.
Oh. Oh, she works so that can buy something for you.
Yeah.
And why are you not eating the other donuts?
Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat this other one.
Oh, you sit down.
Chocolate will also have sprinkles.
Why do you like sprinkles?
That makes donuts nice.
Oh, okay. Oh, what's your question?
What's your question to Tita?
What is elephant a mammal or no?
I don't know what's a mammal. Yeah, it's a mammal.
Yes, correct.
What is a mammal?
You know the mammal like the mammals. What you know that one? Mammals like you know honey badgers. You know that land. Then there's elephants, zebras.
Okay. You watch me in the muscle contest, right? You
Yeah.
tell them what you see in the muscle contest. What did you see me on the stage?
Yeah.
What did you see?
You
Mm.
and the boys are taking long. In the muscle contest.
Oh, do you like the muscle contest?
Yeah.
Why?
And you know another favorite part there?
What?
You.
Why?
Because I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
love you.
Do you love me?
Yeah.
What's the
It's
taste,
sweet.
baby?
Oh, and then?
Tastes nice.
Okay. What's your wish for Nanay?
Now she can be better.
Why?
Because her eye.
Oh, do you love Nanay?
Yeah, and she's putting something in her knee. Salom.
What is she putting?
Yeah,
Why is she putting sa lompas?
because her knee. She cannot walk. It cannot run.
Oh, so you should be behave. You shouldn't let her chase you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat our favorite donut and we say goodbye. What's your? Let's pick up our favorite donut. What's your favorite now? Is that strawberry or chocolate?
With them. And we do a donut.
Oh, let's cheers! Oh, 1, 2, 3. Cheers!
Donut eye.
Donut.
Thank you for watching. Press the subscribe button and like our video. Bye.